Loops are one of the most commonly used type of coding building block. It allows us to iterate through lists of items. Let's create a list of numbers ranging from 1 to 5. We can use the range function to create a list of integers ranging between two numbers. Now, let's create a for loop to iterate through the list. For each element in the list, we want to perform a certain function. Note that the element variable can be anything you want it to be. It is simply a placeholder. After the colon, we perform whatever action we want with a variable. For now, we'll print out every element. As you can see, the list iterates through every element and prints it out. While loops is another type of loop we'll take a look at. The while loop keeps on performing a specific action as long as a condition is true. Let's create an integer and set it equal to 3. Now, let's create a loop that prints out the number as long as it is smaller than 8. We create a while loop by passing in a condition. In this case, its number is smaller than 8. Each time it loops, print out number and increase the size of number by 1. As you can see, the loops print out number until the condition number is smaller than 8 is no longer true.